Hi, my name is Matt. I am the founder of Quoram, and today we're going to talk about what that is and how it works. So, Quoram is a Web3 marketplace for cohort-based courses. And what makes it Web3 is that the creators, instead of selling memberships or tickets to their courses, what they do is mint a collection of NFTs. They're utility NFTs that grant the consumer the ability to attend the course. We simply call them seats. Now, every course has a guaranteed limited number of these seats, and students purchase the seat on a decentralized marketplace. They own it, it's in their wallet, and we authenticate them in order to attend the course experience. When they're finished with it, they have the ability to sell their seat to future students in future cohorts. Now, this creates a whole completely different world that we believe works better for everybody. It works better for instructors, it works better for students, for all kinds of reasons, including the growth loop. I think it maximizes revenue. I think it creates a better, more meaningful experience for students. And that is a very large part of this story, but it's a story for another day. Today, what we're talking about is precisely how this product works, and we want to take you through the creator experience and the consumer experience, and we'll do that right now. Okay, let's talk about the creator experience. As an instructor, how do you join Quoram, create your very first course with your very first batch of seats? So the first thing you do is you click on the create in the main navigation, and then it'll ask you to connect your wallet. For the time being, we support MetaMask, although we will add other wallets in the very near future. Now you connect your wallet and it drops you right into the course creation dialog. And this is where you will input all of your information that define and govern the way your course works. And the first thing you do is you put in things like basic information like your course title, when does your course start, when does your course end, what is the description, what will your students take away, what will they learn, what will the experience be like. And you can upload a cover photo that will become the banner on the landing page where your consumers purchase your seats. Now, here you have to make two very important decisions. The first is how many seats do you want in your course? Because remember, these are a guaranteed limited number of non-fungible seats. It's not like selling memberships. It's not like selling tickets. There are only this many number of seats that you identify right now forever for your course. And the best way to think about how to identify the best number for your seats is to identify how many people you think that you can provide a really excellent experience. What is the optimal number of students that you want in your course so that they have the best experience that they can possibly have? And depending on the kind of course that you're creating and the kind of instructor that you are, that number can be kind of literally anything. You can imagine some courses would be great with only 10 people in it. Other courses would be amazing with 10,000. It's entirely up to you. And the next thing you have to decide is the royalty percentage that you would like to charge every time a consumer sells their seat from one person to another. And you put that here. We suggest probably somewhere between 5 and 25% is about right, depending on the frequency of your cohorts. Now, the next thing that you can do is identify different tiers. So you can have, for example, a beginner tier and a pro tier. The beginner tier will have, it'll be a little bit cheaper. It'll be probably a little bit less intimidating for the consumer, and it'll have fewer benefits. And here is where you upload your artwork. This artwork will in fact become the NFT that the consumer purchases. So you put in the tier title, say it's beginner, the number of seats in this tier, and the floor price for your tier, and describe the experience here. And then list all of your benefits. And then for a pro tier, you upload different artwork here. Again, this is an NFT that the consumer will purchase, and it identifies them as a pro tier attendee of your course. And so upload your artwork here, name the tier, again, allocated seats, price, description, and benefits. And when you are happy with all of this information, you click on save, and it'll bring you to your completed course. And your completed course will look something like this. This is an example course that I've completed in advance, and we'll click on that here. And this brings you to your landing page where your course exists. This is me, my profile picture as the creator. This is the title of the course. And you'll see my example course has 250 total seats. One person so far has purchased a seat in my course, and this is the floor price for the seat. And this is all dynamic information that is coming from the blockchain. This is the description of the course, and here are the course tiers. This is the artwork that we just uploaded in the course creation process. So here you'll see in the beginner tier, there are 200 total seats. This is the total supply, and there are 50 total supply of the pro tier. And so you'll see the description of the tier and all of the different benefits for these two different levels. And from here, this is where the consumer lands on your course. They learn about the course. They decide whether I want to be part of the beginner experience or maybe I want to be a part of the pro experience. And from here, they will mint their seat that then they purchase, they own, and is in their wallet, and it's in their profile. Okay, so now imagine I'm not a creator, but I am a consumer. And so I've landed on this course. I'm impressed by the course instructor, and I've decided that I want to mint a seat in the course. And we'll talk through that right now. Okay, as a consumer, I land on Quoram and I click on Explore because I want to view all of the different courses from all of the wonderful instructors out there. And I see this course by this instructor. I click on that landing page and I read about it. I see how many seats, I see how many owners I'll join, and I'll see the floor price for the experience. And when I decide that I want to attend, I mint a seat in the course. And that's what I do here. Let's mint a beginner seat in the beginner tier for this example course. So it brings up, I click on mint, and it brings up a dialog, and it tells me what I'm about to do, and I will mint right now. And that opens up a MetaMask dialog. I confirm, and this is operating in the background on the blockchain, and it'll take just a second. Okay, and what we see here is we have successfully minted a seat in this course. I am as much a creator of this course as the instructor is because I'm helping make it happen. I've minted a new seat that exists on the blockchain and will exist forever. I own it, it's in my wallet, and I'm able to sell it to a new student when I'm finished with it. Okay, and now that I own my seat, I can see my seat in my profile. Go to your profile page and you see all of your owned seats that you've purchased in cohort courses. And here's the seat that we just minted. I click on this and it'll take me to my seat landing page. Now this is, you'll see the number that you've just purchased, in which tier, in which course that you've purchased it. This is the description of what you get. This is the current session for the cohort and the price that you purchased it for. You see all the benefits here. And then just like an NFT on OpenSea or elsewhere, you see activity and all of the information that comes from the blockchain. From here, you'll see things like who owns it currently, when was it last sold, for how much, when was it traded, when was it transferred, and all of those kinds of things. And we're also building offers. So as the owner of this seat, people can purchase it from you. They can make an offer for it, and you'll see those offers here, and you'll be able to take action on that. And this is also the place when you're finished with your seat, you will click on sell this seat. It'll go onto the marketplace, and you're able to trade it to another student in a future cohort. And you can also join the course Discord from this seat as well. And that is how Quoram currently works. Thank you very much.